Good day to you, Travis. Today is, what is today? November 21st, Friday. And the market actually is kind of had some slow trading this morning, but it actually is in the black right now, surprisingly. It's up now about 23 basis points right now, or 23 up on the Dow. And I think part of the reason for this is Fed Reserve member Jeffrey Lacker stated this morning in a interview that he sees there should be recovering the economy in 2009 due to low oil prices and gas prices, as well as low interest rates, and then less of a drag on the housing sector and the numbers there in the housing sector. So in one person's opinion, yeah, but the stock analysts respond to that. So there was some good early trading this morning. It's down though. It's near flat today. Mortgage-backed securities, same thing. There's been a huge buy in 10-year Treasury notes, as well as some of the smaller notes in the past few days because of all these concerns that are coming out. And there's a little bit of a sell-off today in the Treasuries just because so much profit was made in the last few days. I mean, record numbers were bought since Monday. So that's part of the reason why some money is coming back into stocks today. Also, the Dow dropped below 8,000 yesterday, which since October of 2007, that's nearly a 47% decline in value of the portfolios that were invested. So, gosh, you're working nearly 50% of your investments gone in your 401k and other diverse investments you may have had. Not the worst ever. The Depression was the worst ever, but that's pretty far up there to see that much of a decline. It's dropped 6,612 points since October 2007, where it was at 14,164 was a Dow, and to see it down at breaking 8,000 is pretty scary. But the other good news is oil broke below 50 yesterday, came back up, closed above 50, but today it's right now at 49.83 a barrel, and it looks like it'll close today under 50. So that's great news. Across the nation, they're reporting that gas prices are dropping below $2 a gallon now. So a lot of places are reporting having a gallon of gas for $1.97 and so on. So just like we've been talking about, if oil got below $50 a barrel coming into the holiday season, that's really going to be pushing down inflation. And right now, the talk is, and part of the big sell-off this week was not the term inflation, but the D word, deflation. When you have a recession and deflation at the same time, this is pretty much a disaster or a perfect storm for going into a depression when you have deflation and a recession. And what deflation is basically when cost of goods drop so much, not based on economic factors, just based on people's lack of spending, unemployment, and just a lack of confidence in the market. So people stop completely spending, money stops moving, and that's considered deflation. And that's really a hard thing for the Feds to control. But the Fed's talking about cutting interest rates, the short-term Fed funds rate again, here 0.5% in December on the 16th in their meeting. They're even talking about going down to zero, which causes some other technical factors, problems with the yield curve and so on. But we're going to see probably at least a 0.5% cut, maybe a 0.75% cut. Our Fed funds rate will be all the way down at 0.25% for borrowing, which is nuts to think of. But with what's going on in the economy, it really possibly necessary. So outside of that, and as Fed Reserve Jeffrey Lacker's comment talking about with all the technical factors showing us coming out of recession in 2009, that caused some excitement and some confidence back into the consumer. So hopefully that really is the case. But like I said, if the oil prices keep dropping, the dollar gaining in different countries, we're going to see cheaper prices. At least mortgage rates stay down for a long time. So mortgage rates, again, are staying even. They've been sideways trading for nearly 2 weeks now. But with deflation, last time deflation was announced, and where there's true signs of it, mortgage rates improved by 0.5% within a few weeks. So we could see rates down at low fives if deflation truly is set in and the numbers keep coming out supporting that. So that's your Friday report. Have a great weekend. We look forward to serving you, and just give us a call if you need. So be blessed.